Hello YouTube, name is Juan. I am first time melting furnace user. Pretty much says it all. I'm going to start melting my own metal, copper, silver, bronze, whatever I can do. I want to try it. I found this little machine online. You know, it's a pretty cool machine, I think. It's hot enough to melt copper, gold, aluminum. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'll keep you updated. First time, so if you guys see me doing anything wrong, just comment. I need it. See you soon. Okay, guys. So for first time, I don't think I did too bad. The only problem, and some of you might help me in the comments below, won't come out. This is steel. I mean, obviously. I mean, I don't have a form like the one professionals would use, but I've seen people on videos use this cupcake formed molds things, and I don't know, for some reason I'm having such a hard time getting this aluminum out. Tried banging it out. Doesn't work, obviously, so you can tell. I pretty much took a good hit on that and I couldn't get it out, so I don't know. Tell me in the comments, what do you guys think I did wrong here? Because I mean, I got a few of them out. It's just nice little cupcake aluminum form, but not what I thought this was going to be. I mean, this one was obviously a good one, but it was hard to get it out of there. Mini, I think, about 4 or 5 ounces. Pretty cool. I'm impressed that I got this one to look like a cupcake. I thought that was going to be a little harder than it seemed. And then, the one that I was really looking forward to, the copper. Yeah. If you can see that, I hope you can. I cannot get focus. I cannot get that metal off around the edges. I think it bonded to the metal form mold. Came out a little bit at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Focus. So it came out of there. But I still don't see why this wouldn't let loose. And it's not. I mean, I've tried everything. So, hey, let me know what I did wrong here. If you guys could. I tried. I really had the copper really hot. I mean, I put the furnace to 2200 degrees, which the furnace did awesome for the first time. I mean, I know it's used, but did really well. So let me know what you guys think. What did I do wrong here? Why is this sticking to the copper? I mean, it's just metal. I can tell you that. I tried it with magnet, make sure that mold wasn't aluminum. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Any advice for next pouring would be awesome. I hope I can get something better than this, because I really wanted to see this just copper. And I'm going to try to, or if you have any ideas on how to separate this, I really like this, because actually for my first copper little mold, I don't think I did too bad. I don't think so. So, that being said, let me know. I'll look at the comments later. And sorry I couldn't put the pouring part. I was nervous. You know, the first time handling 2000 degree liquid, you know, just want to make sure you're careful. So next time I will record the pouring and everything else included, but this time I just wasn't sure of myself. I'm sure, hopefully you guys understand, first time. But let me know, please, what I need to do to not let this happen again, because I'm really upset. I would really like to see this the way it was meant to be, but oh well. Alright, thank you. See you next time.